retaining wall with all the bench on, which I love. Put it all the way around. And all the way around there. This is all where the pool lounges are gonna go. And then we've got sales shades that we're putting up. And let's go in here. So they're getting the roofs on now. And the eaves, troughs, and there's all the tools and everything. That's our gate that's going at the front. And there's going to be a door. And door there. And we got all the tiles and everything now. So that's great. And then I can share something else with you now. We've got so it's a beautiful day. It's hot again today. This is going to be our water feature here. It's going to be 3 tiers. And it's going to have water cascading out, and there's going to be lights. So here it's going to be a big wall going up here because they are putting in, I can share this now, we've got a mini supermercado being built right here. So that's absolutely awesome. So that's going to be great for when the guests come and stay. So if they need anything, they can literally walk out the gate around right next door to the mini mercado. And then the other news I have to share is the property you see right here with the ruins, our son and wife have bought. So they close in 2 weeks, and their property comes all the way down back here and it butts right up to our property back here. So that's awesome. So yeah, so that's great. So they close in 2 weeks and they're going to be building a casita there. And like I said, so we've got a super mini mercado coming in right here next door. So the owner's putting in a big wall that's going to come all the way down. So you won't be able to see it, and then you won't be able to see in here. So that's great for us. And then, like I said, this is all going to be our parking area all in here. And then of course the gate's going to be across there. We already have some barbed wire fencing going up there, but we've planted all new palms, ornamental like palm, fern palms, just because we don't really want any chain link fencing and like concrete. We didn't want concrete walls and everything. That's just not what we wanted. We're going to try and keep it as natural as possible. But obviously there's going to be a wall going up here, but there's not much we can do about it. But we're going to plant vegetation and everything in front of it anyway, when it won't take long for it to grow. So right now they are they've got all the eaves trough and everything here. So they are getting all the roof and everything all ready for out here. Now we don't think we're going to be putting AC in our casitas because honestly we really don't need them here. So what we're going to do is, because we've got beautiful big ceilings, we're going to put a big like an industrial fan with a big blade. We think that's going to be more than enough here because it already feels nice and cool in here inside. Here's all the tile and everything that we picked up yesterday. So they're just framing in all the bathroom and everything right now too. So yeah, and then like I said, we're gonna have the railings and everything going around here on the back deck. They're all gonna be, we've got all anti-slip tile for all of the casitas. Everywhere's gonna be anti-slip. And look how lush and green everything is. I said, you sit out here in the morning having a coffee or a tea, and that's the view, which is just gorgeous. And I said, they've got all the ceiling up here. We're still debating on whether to put ceiling fans up here or not. We're not quite sure yet whether we want to put ceiling fans out here or not. We don't know. So we get nice cross breezes come through here. So, but yeah, we're gonna put a big fan like center fan up in here because these are like studio casitas. So I don't think we're gonna need AC, and I don't know if I want AC anyway because people leaving windows and doors open and having it running. And but like I said, we got lots of windows. We're gonna have huge big doors here, another window there, great big massive kitchen window there. There's gonna be a bar on the outside, window, huge big window here too. So and I have the casitas designed so when the sun comes up here, I didn't want any windows here because the sun comes up on this side, and if it's blazing into the casita, it's going to make it hot. So I ended up just putting this vertical window so that when you're sitting in the living area, you've still got a view out here, which I thought would be nice. But besides, you've got this view when you're sitting in the living room, and it's just gorgeous. So, and then like I said, the bedroom area is going to be over here, and it's going to be the pool, obviously, which is right there. And then like I said, the bathroom, and then the whole kitchen area here as well. So, and then like I said, there's going to be a bar. The bar is going to be coming out here, a bar area. So there's going to be, we can either put the TV up here, or we can put the TV up there. And then there's going to be like USB ports and everything here, for computers, laptops, you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, so monkeys, hear the monkeys? They're just down in here. They're just down in here, the monkeys. We got lots of monkeys. And then what was the other thing I was gonna say? Oh, we got told yesterday by a contractor that we should be completed middle of July. They said maybe end of June, but I'm thinking middle of July. So that's good. And then me and Stephen have planned on, hear all the monkeys? We're actually gonna spend a night or two in each of the casitas ourselves before we put them up on Airbnb. So, and then look at that view. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I don't know how well you can see it, but so yeah. But I love that we have all this bench seating here. Like I love this is like a retaining wall, and then we have all this bench seating here, which is fantastic. And then all the drainage. We've got all the drainage here. It goes all the way down the side of the casitas, down the mountain, down the hill there, because we actually have a creek at the bottom there. So yeah, they've got it all the way along here. And then it comes all the way, as you can see, along down here, and then all the way out and down off the property. So yeah, awesome. So there you go, guys. So there's a little update for you. And then like I said, they're getting the eaves trough and everything on right now. Now we're gonna probably have murals done on these walls. We have a friend who's an artist, but she's not coming back till later in the year, so I don't know if we're gonna wait. We might just have someone else come and do the murals, because we really want to have one put on here. And then, because this is a bathroom in here, and then we want to have one maybe on here. And then we're thinking of having something done here, or maybe on the other side of the casita too, because I love murals. And then I think on here especially, it'll be beautiful to have a nice mural on the front there. So there you go, guys. That's the update. So that's awesome. And they did a really nice job with the roofs and everything too. So they're gonna fill it, cap these and everything. They're all gonna be, you know, capped and everything. So, but yeah, it's looking good. So there's your update. I don't think there's anything else to share. I think that's everything. So like I said, the start with the tiling and everything this week. So that's good. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Like, share, and We have to go back to the airport tomorrow to take our friend back. He's bought a property here up on the mountain where we are with ocean view. But he's building a house there, so just a house for himself. But it's a beautiful piece of property. He loves it up here too, because it is beautiful up here. So anyway, thanks a lot guys again for watching. Like I said, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. If there's anything you'd like us to show you, let me know. Also, if anyone's interested in leaving us doing a live chat and sharing our experiences and how our first 15 months have been here in Costa Rica, leave a comment below. So enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Thanks for watching. Pura Vida.